Hi there, lovely people. Welcome to a calm corner of the Hostinger Coupon Code channel. Take a moment to breathe. Today we are gently exploring a peaceful way to save with my special Hostinger link for self-hosted n8n. It's simple and enjoyable. Click my link found in the description and comments, nicely sorted by country for your currency and language, and you'll arrive at the official Hostinger page. The extra 20% discount applies automatically, twice the typical extra you see elsewhere. Plus, a free .com domain as a sweet heartwarming touch wander over to services or products. All plans qualify for the discount, but self-hosted n8n on VPS feels so soothing for effortless automation. The options are KVM1, gentle start, KVM2, my favorite for its calm balance, I love using it, KVM4 or KVM8. At checkout, everything flows smoothly. 20% off appears, free domain joins in, try a new email for that fresh, relaxing start. This is an enjoyable, calming step toward more freedom in your day. Thank you for spending this quiet time with me. If it brought you peace, a like and subscribe would mean the world. Take good care.